France, Cannes. Picture this, $50 million in your pocket and you're in Cannes, the glamorous heart of the French Riviera. With that kind of budget, you could own a breathtaking villa in the exclusive Super Cannes neighborhood, nestled on the hills above the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. This isn't just a house, it's an oasis, a 10-bedroom, 10-bathroom estate that offers everything you could ever dream of, from the privacy of a secluded retreat to the luxury of a 5-star resort. The villa's expansive grounds stretch over nearly 2.5 acres, offering views of the Bay of Cannes, the Lérins Islands, and the pristine Cap d'Antibes. Every inch of the property is designed for both beauty and comfort, blending classical French elegance with modern luxury. The interior features open-plan living spaces, high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows that seamlessly connect the indoors with the outdoors, creating a feeling of vastness and serenity. Outside, the villa is nothing short of spectacular. The infinity pool seems to spill over into the Mediterranean, giving you the ultimate in resort-style living. You'll have private terraces, lush gardens, and a lounge area perfect for sunset cocktails. And if that's not enough, the property also includes a movie theater, gym, and a full spa to ensure that relaxation is always at your fingertips. But what truly sets this villa apart is its location. Super Cannes is one of the most prestigious areas on the French Riviera, known for its exclusivity, breathtaking views, and proximity to the glamour of the Cannes Film Festival. Owning this villa means living the life of luxury, surrounded by some of the most beautiful landscapes and elite company in the world. Would you say yes to living the Riviera dream?